Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to clear all the data present in your Redmi phone or hard reset. So let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do is you need to go to settings option. So just go to settings, click on the icon, and in the settings you will be having, if you just scroll down, you will be having the system at the bottom, or else you can just search using there. So just go to system, it will be at the last, click it, and in the system you will be having this advanced. So just click on advanced, and in the advanced you will be having the reset options. So it will say network, apps or device can be reset. Just click on that, and in that you will be having the third option as erase all data or factory reset. So we are going to do that. So just click on that. So in that it will be showing you option erase all data, factory reset. So all the music, photos, download app, Google accounts, other data will be erased, and below the bottom you will be having erase all data. Yeah, you'll be having the option called as erase all data. So just click it. So it will ask you to enter your pin. So you need to just type your pin. So once you have entered the pin, just click on this icon, enter. Yeah, so it will again ask you erase all data, all of your personal information, blah blah blah. So just click on erase all data again at the bottom. So it will be having an option called as factory data reset, and your phone will be starting from first, like how it was bought for the first time. You'll be having the data erased now. It will take some time depending upon how much storage or how many apps do you have installed. So just be patient for some time. So after some time you'll be getting this option hi there, and it is just select the language, and it will, you need to like start as a new phone. So I hope you have found this video useful. Mine is a programming channel. I've done many videos in C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB. So do check other videos of my channel. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.